Are you guys ready to have a little fun today? We know we are, right, Tom?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So we're at the SHOT Show here in Vegas, and if Vegas isn't fun enough, and if talking guns isn't fun enough, we get to talk HAINBUCH work holding with the guns and how that can help you with your manufacturing. I always tell you, I'm gonna do it again and again in the next videos, is that the experts, I bring them. I'm not that one, but I bring them, and that's what Tom is here for, to explain firstly how this HAINBUCH product can help you with manufacturing your guns, and then we're going to get into some of the technologies to reiterate that as well, because we also know HAINBUCH is famous. They're the originals. Don't call it a collet, it is a chuck. They have the patents for years and years, and they are so inventive, with the first ones to create all of this technology. Tom, let's talk guns, shall we?
Absolutely. We're here at the SHOT Show 2023. It's the first time we've been at this show. We're really excited to come and showcase some of our products. We work with gun manufacturers all the time. We're associated with round parts, which kind of slots right in for us. Gun barrels. We have gun barrels here. We have silencers that we do work with many of the different manufacturers that are here at the show. Scopes lend themselves to ID clamping, lend themselves to round part clamping, OD, ID, one and done.
Well, I'm talking HAINBUCH a lot, and I've been over to your facility in Germany, and I see the technology that goes into this. I already understand the extra 25% rigidity, the way that you guys do the automation for simplicity of lights out running, how you're always constantly innovating. But you mentioned our chucks help make these round bars. We're into the round business. We're talking round, but you have partners out there. Everywhere I look, that your chucks are in there, supported by some of the best machines on the planet as well. So when you're talking about our chucks will help you manufacture these parts, it's in multiple machines, and that round bar stock really is your bread and butter, isn't it?
Very true, and we work with all machine manufacturers. Whatever you have on your floor, we can find a way to build work holding for it. We're an engineering company as well, so if our standard product doesn't cover what you need, we can take a look at your process. We can take a look at what you're doing and what you're making, and we can help you make it more efficiently, better finish, better accuracy, and we can tune your process up to make you make more money, make more chips.
I'm glad you brought that up, and I'm going to pick up this bar right here, because there are some people that might not know who HAINBUCH is just yet. It would be crazy to me to think that, but there might be some people out there, and maybe those people are the ones still in high school, still learning. But I always like to break this down and say, okay, well, we understand that your chucks are going to hold a round bar. We understand that you have partners that are great partners with some of the elite machines on the planet, if not all of the elite machines on the planet, right? So I bring that up because I go, well, what does the HAINBUCH product do that maybe other places it can't be found? And you talked about making money, making heavier cuts because of the rigidity, the better finish, the longer tool life. So let's talk a little bit about the unique attributes of the HAINBUCH product itself, which allow us to create and do everything that you and I have already talked about. But let's break it down to the audience out there. It goes, I get it. I have a turning center right now. We can all cut bars. We can all turn things that are circular, right? But what makes you guys stand out with those extra bits and pieces of doing this for so long as the innovators of this technology?
I think you mentioned rigidity and precision, obviously two things that are important in our industry. And you also mentioned there's a lot of people that can do that. But we do things others can't. One of the things we specialize in is changeover, improving processes. So that allows us, with our basic HAINBUCH system, to go from ID to OD to a 3-jaw chuck with a 2-minute changeover and 10 micron accuracy. It's a simple concept. You mount your chuck, you dial it in. That chuck stays stationary on the machine. Now you're able to use our adaptations across this chuck without having to re-indicate. So you're drastically reducing your setup time. A typical chuck changeover, if you're going fast, man, you're doing it in 20 to 40 minutes. If you're not going fast, it may take an hour and a half, right? So think about your burden labor rate. Think how much you're paying your guy to run that machine. And if you're not making chips, you're not making money. So we help you get more efficient. We help you use these products to improve the process and get in and out of setup quickly and efficiently.
It's exactly right. I'm just going to add a little bit more to that, because automation is so darn important these days. It's how we're able to create competitive profitability on a global scale, not just with our neighbors or our state or even our country, but globally with all of this reshoring and nearshoring that's going on. This is how we compete. So I just want to reiterate, when we talk about the ability to add rigidity, and we're talking 25%, I believe, when it comes to the HAINBUCH product and a certain style of chuck, what does 25% do for you? Well, it allows you to use faster feed rates. It allows you to cut deeper. It allows your tool life to last longer, which ultimately, in addition to the automation that Tom was just talking about, reduces those cycle times and saves on our product cutting tools that you typically have to replace over and over and over again. Now you have the one chuck that you can automate that gives you the rigidity you need to use for a lifetime, right?
Yes, and the product that you're talking about is Top Plus. Top Plus actually gives you 25% more clamping strength than our standard product does. This is great, especially if you're using something like a Hydrock. And we're talking about gun manufacturing here today. Many of our customers use this for barrels. This is either pneumatically or hydraulically actuated. So there's many different ways to gang these on tables, increase your ability to cut more than one part at one time, to increase your efficiency. Top Plus offers the 25% more clamp strength with the same amount of pressure at the machine. Sometimes you don't have as much pneumatic pressure with an older machine, but you need that clamping strength. This product allows you to get there, as well as all of the changeover, as well as the innovation. We've moved forward with technology. We were changing clamping heads with automation just a year or two ago. Now we're changing entire chucking systems, mandrels, chuck bodies, the entire work holding device changed over by automation. It's really exciting for us, and we've developed now also our IQ chuck. Our IQ chuck is just that. It's an intelligent chuck. The chuck itself will feed back to the control and show you clamping pressure, temperature of the part confirmation, RPM of the chuck, and it will allow you to dial in your process, your RPM, your speed and feed to maximize the quality and the process with your part.
Well, I have a quick story to share from one of your colleagues. We were talking one time, and based on what you are now able to automate, because some of these parts can get quite heavy, right? And how many times for the audience watching right now, have you yourself or one of your colleagues been inside of a machine with a heavy part and you've now hurt your lower back? HAINBUCH product, a true testimonial, saved over $1 million in health insurance situations based on having the ability to automate those heavy style products. So that's just a quickie from me. Tom's gone over some of those future and existing products, but I know you guys would be excited to know more about that IQ technology, which is, second to none right now. Where can we find out more about that technology and all of HAINBUCH?
So we have regional sales managers throughout the country. You can go to www.hainbuchamerica.com. All of those regional sales managers and where they cover are listed there. You can call HAINBUCH, 414-350-9550. Ask for your local guy. We'll get somebody to come out, take a look at what you're making, how you're making it, have a conversation and see if we can help improve what you're doing.
I like it very much. If you want to head out to Wisconsin as well, I recommend the summer over the winter, but that's up to you regardless. A really nice facility with great people there. You can see a lot of the teammates that Tom works with and why he continues to be with HAINBUCH. Thank you all for watching. I hope you've learned as much as I have today. Tom, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Tony. Appreciate it very much as always.